Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the HDR screen recordings on this device. Go to settings, then from here you need to select the option general. Okay, now scroll down. Here you can see the option screen capture. Select this one. Here you can see the option format HDR, SDR. So you can see HDR capture photos and videos with a full dynamic range in HEIF format. HDR capture in PNG format. Screen recordings use HEVC and HDR screen recording uses HEVC HDR10. So if you want to enable the HDR recordings, you have to select the option HDR. Here I already selected the option HDR. So simply in this way we can enable the HDR screen recordings on this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.